This is not just another GoHighLevel webinar. It's a bootcamp fully focused on execution, not just theory. You will leave the bootcamp with a live business. By the end of the bootcamp, you will have fully functional funnels, marketing automation setup, and so much more. And that's not all. You will also receive amazing bonuses like 30 days free trial instead of 14 days, the lead generation playbook, access to the 5-day challenge, and many other bonuses. Sounds interesting? Keep watching the video until the end. Hello everybody, I'm Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalysts, and we are now officially partnered with HighLevel. Now let's get straight into what this bootcamp actually is. This isn't a webinar or sales pitch. It's a live, hands-on implementation session hosted by GoHighLevel's expert coaches. In simple words, you join a Zoom call, follow along click by click, and by the end, you walk away with a live, working business system, complete with funnels, automations, and follow-up workflows. And the best part, it's completely free to join, and you get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, which is double the normal trials they usually offer. Here's what you will actually build during the bootcamp. A fully functional marketing funnel ready to collect leads, automated text and email follow-ups so you never lose a lead again. A missed call text back system which automatically messages anyone who calls your business but you couldn't answer. Integrations with Google Business Chat, social media, and even the mobile app so you can manage your leads from anywhere. A review and reputation management system that automatically requests feedback and Google reviews from your customers. So by the time you leave the session, you are not just learning, you are launching. On top of that, they are really giving away a free awesome bonuses. The 30-day free trial. Instead of the usual 14 days, the extra time lets you really explore the platform. Set up your automations and even onboard your first client. The lead generation playbook, a full guide showing you how to start generating leads for your business or agency using HighLevel's built-in tools. Access to the 5-day challenge, a mini program designed to help you start your agency or SaaS business using GoHighLevel step-by-step. SaaSpreneur playbook and free snapshots. These are pre-built business templates, funnels, and automations that you can import and use instantly. Basically, you are getting everything you need to go from zero to launch with no tech confusions or setup headaches. Now let's talk about what makes this bootcamp really different from the normal GoHighLevel offer. Normally, if you just sign up for GoHighLevel, you get a 14-day free trial and you explore everything on your own. You can still build funnels, workflows, automations, but you are doing it alone. The bootcamp, on the other hand, is done with you. You are guided step by step by experts. You can ask any questions to the live, and you get access to tools and templates that aren't available anywhere else. So instead of spending hours watching tutorials or figuring out where to start, you get a structured part, and in under an hour you will already have a business system running. That's a massive difference. Let's quickly go through the biggest advantages of joining the bootcamp. Extended trial. You get a 30-day free trial instead of 14 days. That's twice the time to explore, test, and launch. Live human support. You are not watching a pre-recorded webinar. You are building alongside real coaches in real time. You get a working system, not just theory. You will live with something live, something you can immediately use to attract leads and clients. Plug and play templates. You will receive ready-made funnels, automations, and playbooks to speed up setup. Community and accountability. Because you are part of the live group, you are less likely to procrastinate. You will actually finish what you start. Perfect for agencies, coaches, and freelancers. Especially if you are offering marketing or automation services, this bootcamp will give you a complete backend system for your business. Now let's also be real for a minute. There are a few drawbacks you should know before joining. It's a live session, which means if you miss it, you miss it. There is no replay available. The timing might be inconvenient. The bootcamp happens at 11 AM Central Time, depending on where you are in the world. That might be late at night or early morning. It's fast-paced. The coaches move quickly to fit everything in under an hour. If you are totally new, you might need to re-watch or take notes certainly. You will still need to practice afterward. You will leave a working setup, but mastering HighLevel takes time. Expect to keep learning and refining even after the bootcamp. Some features have usage cost. SMS calls and certain automations might use credits, so keep an eye on that during your free trial. But honestly, these are small trade-offs compared to the value you will get if you show up and follow through. So here's my honest opinion. If you have been thinking about starting an online business, a marketing agency, or a SaaS brand, this bootcamp is probably the best way to start, because instead of spending days trying to figure out automations, emails, or funnel logic, you will have an expert literally walk you through every single step. It's like having someone sit beside you and say, click here, do this. Now watch this work. And that's why I love this bootcamp. It's action first. It's practical. It's about result, not just talk. That's why this is not just another GoHighLevel webinar. It's a bootcamp fully focused on execution, not just theory. Before you join, here's how you can get the most out of it. Decide what kind of business you want to build. Agency, coaching, local services. Be clear before the bootcamp. Prepare your basic details. Logo, brand name, maybe even a simple offer. This will make setup smoother. Block out 1 hour on your calendar. No distractions. Treat this like an appointment with your future business. Be ready to take notes and ask questions. Coaches are live, so take advantage of their experience. You can ask any questions. Follow through after the bootcamp. Spend time refining, customizing, and exploring other GoHighLevel tools like workflows, CRM, and automations. So if you are serious about launching your business fast, go join the GoHighLevel Bootcamp today. You will get 30 days free trial, tons of bonuses, and live expert help to build your businesses from scratch, step by step. I have added my partner link down below. But hey, if you're looking for something even simpler, if you want free lifetime access to build your funnels, automations, and email campaigns inside a clean beginner-friendly interface, then you can also check System.io, another amazing partner of ours. It's perfect for creators, digital product sellers, and anyone who wants to launch quickly without the tech overwhelm. You will find both links for GoHighLevel Bootcamp and System.io free lifetime plan right below the description of the video. Pick the one that fits your style or try both and start building your online business today. Remember, this isn't about learning, it's about launching. Whether you choose GoHighLevel for its all-in-one power and automation step, or System.io for its simple, lifetime free funnel builder, the goal is the same: build, automate, and grow. I'm Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalysts, and I will see you in the next video. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep building your funnel freedom.